Alright, we're back again. Alright. Yeah. You want the phone to ring, just start doing something. That's all you gotta do. Whoa, 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 whoa. Didn't see it coming out. It came out big time when it did. Okay, I'll get 2 for 1 on that deal. Fitting very well. Go. Make sure you get those started before you start cramming them in there. All right. Keep losing my tools right in front of me. Got a place to hide tools. Okay, those are slightly tight, not much. There, this one here and here. Tight. Tight. So it works. Good success. Alright, so carburetor's all in there. Throttle cables are not. They're going to be hard to get to. They're buried back in there. And of course I half buried that too, but we got access to that. Okay, this is just going to slip on in there. Need a hose clamp. A whole bunch of hose clamps right here. Use one of these. Okay. All right. A little lube on the outside line to make it easier to slip on. Okay, I'm not a big fan of that right now, but we'll see. So right now it's got a big loop right here, back around again. It's a good chance for something to happen I don't like happening. And it's also going to make the hose way too short, I bet, on the other side. So it'll never work. Yeah, looks like we got enough room to get up in here to make it fly though, so that's a plus. Okay, it's right there. I can probably come up behind that motor mount. Still have enough room. Good thing I cut that long, huh? Alright. This stupid tripod has to go over here to hold the camera. Put that on this side, you can see better. Yep. Do 15 things at once to do a bike. No wonder nothing gets done. Okay. Shortcut. clamp. One right here. I'm not going to use a fuel filter because that's just going to plug up the system. You can't keep clean gas in your race bike. You don't need to be racing. Alright, good. Go the other way. Heat protection there. Clamp started again. Sharp on the hose there, but it'll work for now. Deal with it later. Alright, do I like that or not? I don't really like that at all. That routing sucks. Here. Yeah, much better. Oh yeah, that's a ton better. Laying on too many sharp edges and against the rocker box for heat. Just laying up against the box, transferred a lot of heat. Very sharp edge there. We've still got a sharp edge here, but not nearly as bad. A little bit of heat insulation material down there helps protect some of the heat. Should be good. I'm not sure all this Bose switch stuff hanging here is all about. Obviously it's not connected, so not sure. Maybe that's for a horn. Probably for a horn. Let's see, I like that better on that side. Take it off again. Go. The clamp where you don't get your fingers into it when you're working about. Hard to work that with a screwdriver though. Stick it straight down. Alright. Perfect. Mark the valve so I know where it's at. Mark it for reserve, so you got maximum pressure. I think that was right over in here somewhere, as I recall. It was flowing the most. Don't remember exactly, that's the problem. I have to check for flow. It was right here. Find out. Right there for reserve. They're showing right here, but it was right there is where the maximum flow is at. So that's reserve, so that gives you a maximum amount of fuel going in the system. Okay, so that goes right down through there. We don't care about these things. Looks pretty good. We'll tighten up the other side over there. down here we can get to it. I'm not sure how much air cleaner overhang we have, so I'm going to put it on this side. Normally I put it on the inside, but this makes a little way the valve adjustment, but I think we're okay. You see the hose squeezing out a little bit. That's enough torque. A nice good radius flow here, which is good for flow. Plus it cools it. A little bit of cooling going on doesn't hurt. Alright, I think that'll be fine. Now we have to figure out we're going to hook a throttle cable up to that thing to make it run. Those bars have to go. Okay. So now we got to figure out we got the electrical on this bike. Okay, we'll be back.